Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily set who can see your phone number on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Telegram app. Then right here tap on settings icon and enter privacy and security, just like that. And then right here towards the middle of the screen you can easily find that privacy box, where at the very top the first option is phone number. You can just get into it, and on that screen you can set up who can see your phone number. By default this option set to my contacts. I set it to nobody, so nobody can get access to my phone number, but you can set it to my contacts or to everybody. How it looks like: you can open up chats and you can open up someone's profile in that way. And if the user doesn't hide their phone number, it will be shown right here on that user's profile, just in that way. So anyone can see that number and anyone can tap at that number and then select Telegram call, Telegram video call, phone call, or anyone can copy that number. So on that step right here you can change the settings to nobody to hide your phone number from your Telegram profile. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.